Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at Myreader AI, a free tool that acts as your AI reading assistant for 2025. I tested it out, and in this review I'll break down exactly what it does, its key features, and give you the honest pros and cons. So what is Myreader AI? In short, it's a platform that lets you upload your books, PDFs, documents, or even YouTube video links and then interact with them using AI.
Get instant summaries and have the AI pull answers directly from your uploaded content, complete with citations so you can jump to the exact page. A standout feature is its ability to convert any text into a high-quality audiobook in over 30 languages and 50 voices, perfect for learning on the go. It supports a range of formats, keeps your library organized, and promises that your data is kept private and secure. The biggest plus is the massive time it can save for students, researchers, or anyone who needs to process lots of information quickly. The chat function and instant summaries are incredibly efficient. The text-to-speech feature is also a major win for accessibility and multitasking. However, it's not all perfect. While there's a free trial, full access requires a paid plan. Also, if you use Kindle books, there's an extra step. You have to remove the DRM protection before uploading, which can be a bit technical. And as with any AI tool, the answers you get depend on the source material. So it's a powerful assistant but not a complete replacement for deep critical reading yourself. The Myreader AI service offers three main pricing tiers. The first is a completely free plan which allows for 5 queries per day, supports up to about 100 pages of text, and includes core features like listening to audiobooks and adding links. For more frequent use, the Lite plan costs $6 per month, significantly increasing the limits to 100 daily queries and roughly 4,000 pages of storage, along with 5 hours of audiobook listening. The top-tier Pro plan is priced at $15 per month and is designed for power users, offering 1,000 queries per day, support for up to 20,000 pages with no file size limit, and 20 hours of audiobook generation time. Thank you so much for your time today. If you're enjoying this content, please consider subscribing to the channel for more insights. Until next time, keep optimizing your workflow.